Using Google Analytics to measure the website traffic is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Google Analytics to track website traffic. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, you simply have to go to your website. The website could be of any platform, could be of WordPress, Wix. So it totally depends upon the platform that you have website on. Now, once you are on your website, you just have to make sure to link an external application. So in my case, I'm at my WordPress, and in my WordPress, I'm going to go to plugins, and in the plugins, I'm just going to search for Google Analytics. So I'm just going to search for Google, and there you go. The Google Analytics just popped up. So I'm just going to install it. After installing it, you can install it, the one on the Wix, the one on the Shopify. There are different website platforms which you can use, and you will be able to find Google Analytics as an external application which you have to install. Once it is installed, you will start seeing right here. Just have to click on that, and it will analyze the whole website for you, including sales, including the traffic as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.